afternoon everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So it's me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again. And in today's video, you guys already saw what the topic is. We are going to be doing a pre-poo, and the question is, do you pre-poo or anybody got time for that? Let me know, comment your thoughts as we go into today's video. I first want to start this video officially. Without any further ado, let us get right into it. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I'm seeing that my notification gang is back, but with new members and like a mixture of my old ones. I'm so excited, and I want to say thank you and shout out to all of you guys for commenting in today's video. I do not want to waste any time. I want to get right into it. I have had this hair for, I would say, a good 2 months. I like it, I enjoyed it. My sister helped me with this hair, and today I want to really focus on why we pre-poo, why I should highly, remind you guys to continue doing it if you are, and if you haven't started, then you need to start incorporating this step into your wash day routine. And we're going to discuss the benefits shortly, but I want to show you guys the state in which my hair is in currently, so you can see why it has to go. Okay, so here is my scalp, just a quick close-up. You guys can see that I have dandruff. It's pretty clear. You can see my scalp is dirty. My hair needs to be taken care of, and I'm going to be taking you guys on this journey. Let us quickly discuss the tools that you're going to be needing in order for you to have a successful pre-poo. Okay, you are going to need a wide tooth comb so that you can, depending also on your hair length. I don't know, my length is going to be new, so I don't know what to expect this month. Mine has been growing. Okay, then you are going to need clips. You guys can get these things from anywhere. Okay, you can go to Amazon. We've got Amazon now in South Africa. We did that. Then I'm going to be using small little bottles just to spritz my hair, and I'm going to be using some conditioner with this. You are going to need shears in order to cut this extended hair and then get into detangling. And then you're going to need the star of the show, a coconut oil. You guys know coconut oil. I have always been such a queen of coconut oil, especially when coming to pre-poo. And then yeah, so we're just going to be using some conditioner and coconut oil. The reason I'm doing this is because with the coconut oil, I'm going to be able to, it's an oil that's very light in weight, therefore it can really penetrate into your hair shaft, and that's exactly what I'm looking for because my hair is thirsty. And the second thing I want to incorporate is the deep conditioner, and I'm going to mix it with some water. The reason I'm doing this is obviously because water is going to hydrate my hair, but the conditioner is going to start conditioning my hair and repairing some of the moisture that it has lost throughout this protective styling. I am going to be showing you guys how I take down my hair in this close-up with just one braid, and then I'll show you a section whereby I'll be taking the rest of my hair down. So you can use a tool or your fingers to take down your hair, but make sure that you are super gentle. And then you guys can see that the product buildup is heavy, and my scalp, as mentioned, is dirty, and you guys saw a close-up of that as well. And this is when you can grab your water and conditioner mixer and then spray that on your hair. And then this shot over here is me showing you guys that my hair is reverting back, which is a very good indicator that your hair is healthy and it's doing well. So, and more than anything, it didn't get damaged through the protective hairstyling that you had. And this is me using the coconut oil, also ensuring that I put some coconut oil at the ends of my hair, because those are the oldest parts and probably the most delicate parts of my hair. Then I'm going to use a white tooth comb after first detangling with my fingers. Detangling is basically the process of removing any knots that are in your hair to ensure that you can wash your hair without any knots or tangles. And as you guys can see, that the coconut oil is already doing the Lord's work. I'm halfway there, so we still got this half, and then we've got this. Okay, another hour to go. Now let us discuss the benefits of using coconut oil. Of course, you can use any other carrier oil, but because I love coconut oil and because it's such a lightweight oil, it will always be one of those oils I use when I pre-poo. So some of the benefits of using coconut oil as a pre-poo is that it will support hair growth, it will improve your scalp's health, and it will also treat dandruff as well as eliminate dry and frizzy hair. So for me, my biggest concern would be the ends of my hair, because they are the oldest parts, so I want to make sure that they are getting nourished as well throughout this process. And then once again, going in with the coconut oil on a larger section and penetrating that into my hair. So what are the benefits of doing a pre-poo? First of all, it will help to protect your hair from the harsh shampoo that you will use after you pre-poo. And here I'm quickly showing you guys that shedding is very normal. You lose about 100 hairs each day, so I'm not necessarily concerned nor alarmed about the amount of shedding. But obviously there is an excess amount. If you are, shedding excessively, then you've got a problem. Then the second benefit of pre-pooing is that it will help to restore moisture back into your hair. You guys can already see that my hair is full of shine and moisture. There are a few types of ways in which you can pre-poo. You don't always have to use oil or a conditioner. You can use, for example, a pre-poo product. This is a dedicated pre-poo product that is ready-made, that you can buy from a store and you can use on your hair. I just don't think it's worth for me to do that, given the fact that the second way in which you can pre-poo is by using water and conditioner, and in this video I'm using one of those elements. And lastly, you can do a hot oil treatment. It can also be used as a pre-poo. You can just put your oil in the microwave or warm it up with water, and then that's that. So for me, maybe the question you could be asking yourself is, how many times are you supposed to pre-poo? This is all dependent on how long you are keeping your hair in a protective styling for, one. Two, if you are not in a protective hairstyling, I would say pre-poo once a month. And if you are in a protective styling, make sure anytime you take down your hair, you are pre-pooing. You can pre-poo overnight, as well as you can pre-poo for about 2 to 3 hours. You can wear a plastic as well as a microfiber towel or something to keep the moisture in there and the heat as well, in order for the oils to cook and for your hair to look this nourished and juicy. Okay y'all, so it brings us to the conclusion of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And this is how my hair looks, and I'm gonna chill with this pre-poo for quite some time, and then I am going to start my wash day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one, where we get to wash this hair. We get to wash this hair.